Seryoso to.
Yeah.
Pag mag-hike po kayo, mag-lipstick. Number 1 thing na dadalhin,
Lipstick. Lipstick, yeah. Mamaya yun.
Huwag niyo kalimutan niyo yung tubig.
Walang yung lipstick. Walang iya. Tayo, guys.
Doon tayo sa boondocks pupunta.
Sa may ganon.
Hindi hangin yun. You like slope. There's like a lot of leaves and green.
Sky lo. Oh, wala.
Umayos.
Violet. Ano daw nakalimutan?
Lipstick. Like. Sa bundok magli-lipstick?
Agree ako.
Bye kita dyan eh.
Remember.
It's oh, ano to?
O parang yung tama rin sa ano yung sa atin yung makahiya.
Oh yeah, ano to?
Hindi naman, yeah.
Pag-exon, madam. Parang, oh.
Di ba yung makahiya, yung if you touch it,
Oh, di close.
Yeah.
Huwag mahiya. So if you're going to Alamar Falls, oh my God, there's a lot of, damo. Bakas lang na.
Sometimes it's gonna come out right there.
What is that? A bee?
Sige, kabibidyo.
Anong meron dyan? Oh.
Oh. Your imagination.
Just imagination. It's foggy, so usual Sir Martin. Oh, there's some people there. Oh, may nagchismisan dun eh. Hello! We're lost! Oh, hi to everyone! Where's Maya? Maya! Ganda to, maabot parang drone din to. Kaya natin. Sakit ng legs ko. Hi, madam. Hello. Say, yeah. Ano daw?
Ano daw sabi?
Ano sabi mo?
Tiny ridge.
Tiny?
I love the little cutie pie bridge.
You sure?
Shut the fuck up!
Doon tayo. Parang... madamo. Ang bilis na hang lumakad
Nila?
Oo. Aray ko. Lake Tahoe. Anong lake to?
Hi!
So welcome to Lake Tahoe! Uy, daming langaw. Ano to? Langaw or lamok pala? Sorry.
May lamok. Ang facet, may lamok.
Picture lang kayo dyan. Oh, parang oh, padaan pala tayo ng ano. Are we gonna
Go!
first time, if you're first time to come here, you might be lost because this trails there's no name. Oh. Puti ko Puti ko dito. Ayan. It's like a heartache. Okay. Kumusta kayo? Are you guys okay? Alright.
No.
There's more. There's like, yeah.
How long is this gonna be?
Oh, it's worth it. The moves. Yes.
Almost there. On top of that.
I think I'm gonna go.
Dito tayo.
Yeah. Go. Ito po yung trial muna. Yeah.
Trial to, pababa.
Pababa to. And then if you go to the waterfall, it's more like go down. Ouch.
Dahan na.
So I wore the wrong shoes.
I told you.
Why? Oh.
It's
Hindi siya pang hiking shoes. Oh. If you go hike, you have to wear proper shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rule 101.
Yes.
Use hiking shoes.
Hiking shoes.
Especially if you're going to Alamir.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of rock. Rock and roll, baby. All the rock store. Yeah, what's up? Oh, wait, dami. Oh, actually, wala masyadong damo-damo siya, Maya, last time. There's a lot of, yeah. Oh, we're not there yet. I think it's right there. I think so. Oops. We're just kidding. Okay.
Malapit na yan.
So where it come?
Oops, kitty.
Oops, kitty. Ayan o. As you can see, there's all flowers. Red. Okay.
Sally.
Ika lang, Madam Sally. Sally. So, yeah. Ay! Takot pa, ha?
Boy pa siya.
Guys, are you ready? So, finally! Oh my God! Oh, we're here! But actually not yet. We're gonna go down. So, yes. So we have to go down. So hopefully the first waterfalls, they have water. So we'll see. Woo! There you go. Have to go there more. Scary.
Is this gonna go down?
Takot siya nga to. Sa video, not really siya nakakatakot. It's not that scary, but it's really scary. Slippery. They used to have a rope here. So yeah, it's just scary.
Holy shit.
It's very slippery because holy moly. What's up kayo guys? So we're on the whoa, salamin, go, no. Dagat, dito sa dagat. Perlacia. Alright, it's like there's a lot of water, so what is life? Yan. Alam na this guys, Victorian. So I think the walk is like 2 hours. Yeah, I don't know. So 2 hours and a half. Yeah, it's worth it. And there's another one down there that I'm scared to go. I'm scared. Oh, it's a low tide. So are we gonna go down there? Oh my God, look at that, scary. There's another waterfall. Ooh, there's a lot of scary. What do you mean? That looks scary because my phone just shut down. Are we going over there? I'm really scared. Seriously, we're going down there? It's really scary. I look at it. Ganda ng waterfall. So, nandito tayo sa Amherst Poolside. I'm gonna go down there. So there's a trick. There's a water. I have to wait to stop the water and I go around. I think it's still. No, I think still.